guys, Al2 here, and I want to give you a quick update on an additional upgrade part that had come in for the Axial Grave Digger. Was waiting for the JConcepts Renegade monster truck tires to come out. They finally did about a week or so ago, so I put an order in and they came in. So I want to go ahead and open them up, show you what they look like, and I want to get them mounted on the truck here before I make the running video with all the upgraded parts that I done on this truck. So this is the box that came in. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Now I don't know if any of you guys saw these tires or not, but they were very impressive looking, both the tires and the wheels. So decided to order the wheels as well. Go ahead, and here's the tribute wheels. Now these do come with hub extensions, so as you recall in part 3 of the upgrade video, we had issues with the stock tires hitting the lower links or trailing arms, so I had a few issues getting hub extensions to work. Now these tribute wheels from JConcepts, they come with different size extensions, so if you want to upgrade your tires to the JConcepts or these wheels, then this will be another solution for getting the wider stance and more offset of the truck on the wheels, so to stop that tire hitting the hitting those links, so those trailing arms. So there's our wheels, and these tires are just sweet. They are just absolutely huge, unbelievably huge and gorgeous. So going to go ahead here and get you a closer look and see what they look like up close. Alrighty, here's a little closer view of the packaging. Here's the Renegade monster truck tires. Now these are the soft blue compound. I think they make a gold compound, which is made for, I think they said like carpet, or very glossy concrete surface or something like that. So the blue compound is designed for outdoor use, grass, dirt, street. And then you have your tribute wheels that fit the tires. So we're going to go ahead and get these opened up. I believe these tribute wheels come in silver, white, and black as well. So if you get the white ones, you could probably dye those if you want a different color. But let's go ahead and get these open and see what we have inside. Alrighty, taking a look at what comes with the tribute wheels. Of course, you got your wheels. With each set of wheels, it looks like you get two foam rings. Appears to be that the ring goes here to give the tire something to sit against, since these are sort of different inside diameters are a little different on the wheel, so that's what the foam rings are for. So it looks like you get 3 sets of offset hex adapters, 11 millimeter and 18 and a 25. So they get installed with 6 12 millimeter screws. You also get these planetary caps to close off the wheel, and I guess you can decide which one you want. One has an open center and one's sort of closed. So set of screws come with. So those are the wheels, your tires. Of course, these are glue on. So alrighty, these tires look really awesome. These wheels look awesome. So we're going to go ahead and get these glued up and get them installed on the Grave Digger and see what it looks like. Alright, got my tires mounted up to the wheels, and I have to say that went pretty smooth, pretty easy to put on, pretty easy to glue up. They look really great. As you can see, the original tire and the JConcepts Renegade tire, there's absolutely really no comparison here between them. One just screams monster truck scale, while the other one, you know, performs all right. It's just no comparison. So wow, what a difference. So I'm going to get these on the truck and we'll take a look at it. Alright, got the tires on the truck, and just awesome. These things are just sweet. Very cool. Awesome upgrade to the truck. Look really great. I left one of the original tires on to give you a comparison what it really looks like on the truck. So as you can see, it is just a huge difference there. Really scale look. These tires are beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and get this last fourth one on. We'll see what it looks like with the body on and everything, and then finally going to get this thing for a test run. Guys, this truck just come out really awesome looking. I can't believe how much of a difference these tires have made over everything else on the entire upgrade. So if you're really into authentic looking monster truck, we haven't had really that many authentic looking monster trucks in the RC world. These tires just are unbelievable. I highly recommend them. They look a lot better in person, so really impressed, really happy with the way this truck looks. So alright, enough with the upgrades. It's time for me to run this thing and have some fun with it. Alright, see you later.